We're going to make some Jiffy corn mix to go with our soup. Recipes on the back. This is like usually around 50 or 60 cents in the store for a box. So I cracked 1 egg in here and put 1/3 cup of milk with the Jiffy mix in here. So now I'm just going to stir it with a spoon. You don't need a blender or anything like that. Not with this. So stir it with a spoon, and then I'll be putting probably a tablespoon and a half in each one of the muffin cups in the muffin pan. But first you have to spray the muffin pan. Corn muffin mix is stirred up. Sprayed part of the muffin holes here. Usually makes about 6 to 8. So I filled up about 7, I guess, here, and I put about 2 tablespoons in each cup at least. So now we're going to put them in the oven, and we're going to put it on, let's see, 400 for 15 to 20 minutes. Muffins are done. Look how tasty that looks. Thank you for watching our video.